In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA, for your Google Drive account. Securing your online accounts is more important than ever, and enabling 2FA is a simple yet effective way to protect your data from unauthorized access. So let's dive in, and I'll walk you through each step of the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. You'll need to log in using your Google account if you haven't already. This is as straightforward as entering your email and password, and it's the same process you go through each time you access Google Drive. After logging in, you'll see an array of icons at the top right of the page. Click on these icons to open up Google Apps. It's important that we navigate correctly, as this is our gateway to accessing your Google account settings. Once you've got the Google Apps open, find and click on the icon that says Google Account. This will redirect you to your account management section where we can make the necessary changes. Now pay attention here because it's easy to get lost among all the tabs and options. Look for the tab labeled Security. Clicking on this takes you to where you can review and adjust your security preferences across all of Google's services. In the Security section, you'll find a section called Signing In to Google. Under this category, you'll see an option for two-step verification. Click on this. It's the feature we're going to enable, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. When you click Two-Step Verification, it will guide you to a new page where you'll see a prompt to turn it on. Click the button that says Turn on Two-Step Verification. You might be asked to sign in again for security reasons, so don't be surprised if a login page re-prompts you. Google does this to confirm that it's really you making the changes. After you sign in, you'll be taken through the setup process. Here, you'll need to provide a method for receiving your verification codes. This could be via text message, a phone call, or an authenticator app. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete this part of the process. Once you've selected your preferred verification method and followed all the instructions, click Done. That's it. You've now successfully turned on two-factor authentication for your Google account, adding an extra step to your login process, but also significantly enhancing your security. This ensures that even if someone gets hold of your password, they'll still need that second level of verification to access your Google Drive. Having 2FA enabled is a great habit to cultivate because it provides peace of mind, knowing there's an added layer of protection around your personal information. Remember, online security is crucial, and measures like these are simple yet powerful ways to safeguard your data. Congratulations on taking this important step to secure